Hi everyone, Nancy with our treasure home. So here we are. Here is dinner. So what I did, we had rice. I've cooked my asparagus after the live, and I've cut up a avocado and sliced it and put it around. Put some avocado on top of the chicken, and I made some sweet soy sauce, kind of like a almost a General Tso's, but mine's not hot and spicy. More of a sweet sauce. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a little bit on here. Not much. There we go. And I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. There we go. This is dinner tonight. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it looks so good. So yes, I will do a taste test. So I need a paper towel though. Made a mess. There we go. Yes, clean up as you go. So I am just going to get some asparagus with some rice. And here we go. Oh my goodness, that's so good. Alright. So a little bit of avocado, asparagus, and the rice. Oh, that's a definitely winner. Oh, that's so good. So I'll put the recipe down below what I did with the sauce. I added something a little bit different. And it actually turned out really well. So there you go. The chicken from the live, the asparagus, and rice, and avocado, and sweet sauce. That's what I'm going to call it, sweet sauce. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day or evening. Stay safe. God bless. We love y'all. And I'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home. Link there and there, you know, and down below.